Hey, amazing creators! Tracking a complex area is super easy with Filmora's new feature, Mocha Filmora. Want to learn more about it? Keep watching! Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, remember to update your V14 to use Mocha Filmora. Let's begin. Mocha Filmora enables users to select and track complex areas in their videos. It offers features like plane tracking, quick mask and roto, and power mesh tracking to provide accurate tracking data. Additionally, it includes tools for mesh wrap, stabilization, correcting lens distortion, and an insert module. This powerful plugin is ideal for creating visual effects. Now let's see how to track down the complex or moving area of the footage in easy steps. Step 1. Launch Filmora, then start a new project, and import the footage you want to use for tracking. Then place the footage onto the timeline. Step 2. Go to the Effects tab, then go to the Boris FX, and apply the Mocha Filmora effect onto your footage. Make sure it is on your footage, not on the separate track. Step 3. Go to the settings, and from the insert, select the footage or image which you want to attach to the tracked surface. Then click on Launch Mocha UI. Step 4. With the Mocha UI, you will encounter a user-friendly interface. You can switch the layout between Essential, Classic, Big Picture, and Roto. We recommend keeping the layout set to Classic for the best experience. At the top menu, you will find tools such as Marquee and Lasso Selection, Picker Tool, Point Select Tool, Pan Tool, Zoom, Manual Spine Tool, Magnetic Spine Tool, Brush Spine, Rectangular Spine, and Circle Spine. Additionally, there are options for Track Mesh, Planar Surface, and Planar Grid. You can also layer sections within your project. Whenever you create a spine selection, it will automatically generate a new layer, which you can view in the Layer section. Step 5. Select the Manual or Magnetic Spine tool and create a selection around the area you want to track. Once you do this, you will see the spines appear. Next, in the Parameter settings, choose the options for Perspective and Mesh. For more precise tracking, select Small Motion. To begin tracking the surface, click the Track Forward button, and it will start the tracking process. If you notice that the spines have moved from their original positions, place the playhead at that point, select the spine, and adjust its position accordingly. To preview your selection, hit the play button. Step 6. To attach an image or video to the tracked surface, follow these steps. Go to the Insert tab in the Parameters section. Under Background Clip, select Input. Then, in the Insert Clip section, choose the Insert Layer option. On the preview screen, a dashed rectangular line will appear. Select it and adjust the shape of the attached image or video as needed. Once you're satisfied with the shape, change the blend mode and adjust the opacity to ensure it blends well. Next, click on the Feathers tab and set the feather value to 0.1 for all options. Finally, in the Transform section, you can adjust the scale, position, rotation, shear, and perspective. Once you're done, click on Save icon to save the data and close the Mocha UI. In the main clip, you won't be able to see anything until you switch on the Render option. Expand the module render settings and select Render to obtain the tracked image or video in its proper place. Even you can use this slider to adjust the attached image opacity. Now, let's render the footage and view the preview. Make sure to update your Filmora version to access Mocha Filmora. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and check out this awesome update in V14. Create viral content with Mocha Filmora. If you found it helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with fellow creators and editors. If you are interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.
One time for the people in the back, get 'em up. Get life up.